Okay, but who is this with the side part? Who is this with the side part? And major shout out to Alipearl for sending me this wig. Y'all don't mind the box. I know it's beat up. I know. And of course, you know, they come bearing gifts. They have some eyelashes, an edge wrap, another edge wrap. Also comes with silk packaging and a pamphlet about how to take care of the hair and also an edge brush. So I'm basically showing you guys how to apply this wig. Pay attention. I mean, I do this in almost every video, but you know, refresh. As y'all know from the title, this wig did not fit my head, y'all. I have a big old cranium. I don't know, God's plan. But I know y'all are spending y'all hard cash out there, and sometimes these wigs don't fit your head. So I'm gonna show you what you can do. This is one of my methods that I use, because that's disrespectful, and the devil is a liar. We're not, no, we're not, no. So what I did so far was put on the cap, and I put the bolt hole liquid gold before my hairline, and I'm also sewing down the cap. Now I like to do this because I like to cut off the back of my cap, because I'll be taking that rat tail comb and I'll be like poking it through my wig and scratching my head, and I don't like any other layers under it, like, if that makes sense. Like, I just feel like it's too much, so I just like to cut off the back of my thing. If y'all would like the link to that tint spray, I got off of Amazon. I'm going to put it in the description, because y'all, that's a lifesaver. It's better than makeup. And this is the wig, y'all. They was being super generous. They gave me a 26-inch wig. Of course, right there, as y'all see, I had to cut the sides because I was trying to make this wig fit, y'all. I was really trying with everything in me, because I was like, nah, there has to be a way. There has to be a way. And you know, Alipearl did not come to play, because look at that HD lace. Where does my skin end and where does it begin? You don't know, because I don't know. We don't know. Okay, anyway, I am cutting my cap right now because the bolt hole liquid gold is already dry. Just make sure y'all be careful, take your time. And now I'm taking my alcohol and I'm cleaning off the surface before my hairline, just because I don't want no oils, no dirt, no tint spray in that area. Now I'm spraying my wig with the tint spray just so it matches my skin. So if I match the front of the wig to the front of my hairline in the middle, I would have a little bit of extra space on the sides, like leftover hair, but the cap is too small, y'all. So what I would do is shift the wig a little bit to the side and create me a whole nother hairline, basically. So by over directing the wig and making a new hairline, that little extra piece of hair can be cut off, but I could also have full coverage, if that makes sense, y'all. So in simpler terms, go ahead and cut the lace from the cap, just like you saw me do in the beginning, and go ahead and over direct it to the one side, and then kind of finesse your new hairline. Just to show you what I mean, I'm going to pull it back to where it originally should have been and to where it is now, where I set it, so that it could reach both of my sides. If y'all can see it a little better like that. But now that I'm done with that, I am going to pull it back, flip it back, and start applying my glue. Y'all know I'm using Erica J, the watermelon scented one. It don't really smell like watermelon, it smells like something else, but it still smells good, so she did her thing with that. So I put about 3 layers of this glue on. I just wanted to keep this wig on for like a week and take it off. So make sure you apply it like that and then spread it out and make sure it dries completely before you apply the next layer. And I clearly did not follow my own rules because it is not all the way dry, as y'all can see, but I was in a rush because my man, little do you know, was sitting on that couch right there and he was ready to go. Like, he wanted to take me to the mall, so I kind of had to hurry up, but please don't do what I did. You're going to go ahead and go through every section, press it down, make sure that it is secure in place. Hey, y'all know that these lace front wig applications be giving y'all facelifts. Like, look at my face. I'm totally different. Like, if y'all old, well, I don't mean to say it like that, but if you are in need of a facelift, get you a frontal. Okay, save money. There you go. And if y'all don't have an edge band, go ahead and get you one. The link is in my bio to mine that you see me wearing right now. They are a lifesaver. Also, that was Got To Be wax spray that I used, and this hot comb I got from Amazon. I will also include that link at the bottom if y'all want to know. Okay, so it's about that time. This should be all dry and in place from all that pressure. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out one time so it don't look all stiff. Go ahead and cut the lace at like a zigzag kind of formation. When I'm done cutting, I should have a big old chunk of this lace front left over. I think I'm going to do something with that. Like, I'm going to save it for something. We gonna see. So right now would be the time to go ahead and put your baby hairs on if you want to. I just like to slick mine back and put my edge wrap on because I don't like all that baby hair. I'm just about done. I'm just going to go ahead and style my hair and I'm done. So, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. If it did help you out, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Hey y'all, so I'm back. What happened is my phone died in the shop, so therefore I couldn't finish the video. But I really been wearing this hair for like 4 days now, and it's been fire. Like, and I did a side part. Y'all know I never do a side part ever. It's not for me, but it's for me today. And y'all know I don't ever do baby hair, and voila, baby hair, baby. It feels bomb, like y'all. Highly recommended, highly recommended. And the HD is real HD. They ain't lying. I just want to thank Alipearl for sending me this beautiful wig, 26 inches. Y'all are very, very generous. Thank you, appreciate it. And to all my subscribers out there, I definitely recommend this. Like, this is like the top one on my whole channel so far, y'all. Get this wig, like, feels, y'all see this? But anyways, I got done taking pictures and here's the pictures.